Hello everyone, welcome to How-FixIT. If your PS5 Pro is experiencing issues like not powering on, sudden shutdowns, or even strange noises from the power supply, you might have a faulty PSU. Common problems include power cycling, blown fuses, or the console shutting down during gameplay. Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to replace the power supply unit in the PlayStation 5 Pro. Here's a list of tools you'll need for this repair. Torx T8 security and Phillips 1 screwdriver. Tweezers and plastic opening tools will be essential for precise and safe handling. I've included links to all these tools in the video description below. I recommend using a magnetic mat to organize screws as you go. The PS5 Pro has screws of different sizes, so it's important to keep track of each one. And you won't have to worry about losing screws, they'll all be securely attached to the magnetic mat. So, let's dive in and start the repair. Place the console on its side with the PS logo facing up. The top covers are secured by clips. Lift the front edge to release them. Use a Torx T8 security screwdriver to remove the two screws. Turn the console over and remove the top cover. Next, remove the 4 screws securing the fan. Detach the plastic cover and disconnect the fan cable. Lift the fan straight up to remove it from the console housing. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the screw securing the expansion slot cover. Detach the final cover from the console housing, remove the warranty sticker, and lift the plastic panel underneath to reveal hidden screws. Unscrew the 10 screws and remove the plastic cover. The heatsink is attached to the metal plate with a thermal interface. Using a plastic pry tool, carefully lift the bottom edge of the heatsink to remove it. Disconnect the antenna tables and separate them from the housing. Remove the 5 screws securing the metal cover. Using a spudger, gently push the metal latch to unlock the connector. Keep the latch intact and carefully pull the cable straight out of its socket. Next, unscrew the black screw securing the board assembly. The power supply connects to the main board via metal prongs at the bottom left corner. Use a plastic spudger to carefully pry the main board up from underneath. Lift the power supply out of the console housing. To find a compatible power supply for your PS5 Pro, look for part number ADP420DR. I left a link to a replacement power supply for the PS5 Pro in the video description below. Let's get started installing the new power supply and reassembling the PS5 Pro. When installing the mainboard assembly, align the power supply prongs with the mainboard socket. Secure the mainboard with a screw. Reconnect the antenna cables, ensuring they're positioned exactly as before, and reattach them to the mainboard. Insert the cable into its socket, secure the metal bracket, and fasten it with 5 screws. Place the heatsink over the assembly, pressing lightly to avoid bending the fins. If the heatsink doesn't stay in place, consider using thermal putty or a high conductivity thermal interface material. Recommended options are linked in the description. Install the plastic cover over the motherboard and secure the console housing with screws on both sides. Reattach the expansion slot cover and fasten it with the screw. Next, install the fan, connect its cable to the socket, and secure it with 4 screws. Each cover is marked on the inside. Use these marks to install the correct cover. Align the hooks with the cutouts along the case edges, then pull the opposite edge until the grooves snap into place. Repeat for the other covers. Finally, install the last two covers to complete the assembly. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Visit our website for in-depth insights and do-it-yourself guides. Remember, every tech challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. Thank you for watching How-FixIT, and we'll see you in the next video. By the way, the How-FixIT channel also offers tutorials for repairing PS5 controllers, including disassembly of different DualSense models and restoring water-damaged controllers.